I'm just talking to the people who did this one. All right, so write with a prime base. So obviously 32, that's a friend of ours by now. What is that? 2, that's right. Now we can do a couple of things. We could go, this is first 32 to the 4th root, so we know that's to the quarter. And then 32 is 2 to the 5, and that's to the quarter. And so now we've got power to a power. Multiply. So this will be 2, 5 times a quarter, which is 5 over 4. Done and dusted. Right, and again, it is just following the rules. Look up the rules. All right, what about this one now? We want to choose a base. It's prime. 3 would be a great base. It's prime, and I can write 3. I can write 81 and 27 is 3 to the something. So what's 81? 3 to the 4th. Again, you've got your calculators, so double check. Yeah, good. I trust you. So that's 3n take 2 all over 27. Okay, I think we've finally convinced Sam that he doesn't have to have the answer, the final answer in his head before he puts pen to paper. Right? I've got no idea what the final answer is going to be. I'm just doing one thing at a time. 1. All right, now power to a power. You've got 2 times. So this becomes 3 to the 12n, take 8, all over 3 to the 9, take 6n. When I'm dividing by the same base, we keep the power and we subtract. So this is going to be 12n, take 8, minus, this is the drum roll moment, it's minus all of 9 take 6n. Right? So that means, oh no. How sad, I can't separate. I don't want to erase. Let's try this. Move that. Yeah, baby. Love my board. Love it, love it. I love it. Just realised I'm on video seeing that. Right? So now this becomes 3, 12n, take 6n. So it means we have to add 18. And minus 8 take 9 is minus 17. Oh, look, it changed that colour. Wow. Oh, is that what you said? I didn't even notice. And blue. Magic board. So what do you reckon? Did everybody get those right who tried it? Yes. Those who didn't and are going, what is she on about? It's on the video for you to have a look at later on. Okay, shall we keep on trucking? Si, senor. All right, simplify. Now, no calculator. No calc, no calc, no calc. What do we reckon? Yeah, and the thing that's giving it away is this bit here. So it's 5 cubed to the minus 2 over 3. And what happens when we have a power to a power? We times, I guess I'm relying on you, what is 3 times 2/3? So 3 times negative 3, right? The 3's cancel, yeah? Oh, Finn, love that moment. Okay, they cancel, so I've got 5 to the minus 2. How do I get rid of that minus power? Slap it downstairs, that's right. So it's 1 over 5 squared. And ladies and gents, that is 1/25th. And you've done that without the use of a calculator. Now, in your test, you will have a calculator. So you can obviously check it, but you need to make sure. So I'm going to Sam again. Sam might have seen in his head that it could be this, but he can't just write down 1 over 25 because how do I know he used the calc or he didn't? So you've got to make sure you put your steps in. Make it sense? I mean, I'm limited with ones like this because I can't go too hard with some of these numbers because I'm saying use it without a calculator. So I wouldn't be able to put like 5 to the 6 or anything because I wouldn't expect you to know what 5 to the 6 is without a calculator. No, taking too long for you to work that out. Okay, this one. What is 3 to the minus 1? It is 1/3. What can we say about this one? 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, not 0. Okay, and what about this over here? 2 cubed is 8 over 4. So we've got 1/3 plus 1, take 2. So basically 1 1/3, take 2. Are we happy that's minus 2/3? So not difficult, but you must put your steps in, otherwise I'm going to be annoyed. Right, this one, surds. As soon as we see a surd, we're thinking, is there a square number that goes into it? So is there a square number that goes into 27? 3. 3 is not a square number. 9. Right, so I'm going to put in this extra line. This would be root 9 times root 3. Do you agree? And why do we want to do that? Because what is the square root of 9? Right? Plus 3 root 2. Is there a square number that goes into 18? 9 again. 9 2s are 18. So that's root 9 times root 2. Is there a square number that goes into 48? 8's not a square number. 16. I'm running out of room here, but that's 16 times 3. So here we go. We've got plus 3 root 2. Bless you. Take 3 root 2 plus 4 root 3. They cancel. What's 3 root 3s plus another 4 root 3s? 7 root 3s. Okay? I haven't put in expanding brackets. I haven't put in the fraction. You've got enough of those in your textbook to make sure that you practice. Now, this is where I'm trusting you a little bit to make sure that you go off and do that revision. Just because we haven't done it on the board doesn't mean I'm guaranteeing I'm going to put an expanding one in the test. So make sure you know how to expand brackets with surds. Okay? Fraction one as well. Good stuff.